If you're a chocolate lover, just wait till you try this. This chocolate mousse cake is the richest, smoothest, most decadent thing you can make at home. Starting with my favorite chocolate cake recipe, we're going to combine all the dry ingredients into a bowl and whisk them together. Then we're going to add in our vegetable oil and make sure that covers all of the dry ingredients, and follow that up with our eggs and vanilla. Once that's nice and smooth, we'll add in our buttermilk. And the key to getting a rich chocolate flavor is to add a little hot coffee at the end to bloom the cocoa powder. Trust me, it won't make your cake taste like coffee, and you can feel free to use decaf. Once your batter is nice and smooth, you can pop it into the oven, and that's when I get started on my chocolate mousse filling. It's basically a chocolate ganache with some extra heavy cream so that it whips up nice and fluffy. So we're using bittersweet chocolate, heavy cream, vanilla, and salt. You want to let that cool in the fridge until it's completely chilled, and then you can use a hand mixer to whip it up nice and fluffy. Add your chocolate mousse filling in even layers onto each of your cake layers. You'll end up with 2 layers of filling and then a thinner layer around and on top of the cake. And now this is optional, but I added a little bit of extra chocolate in the form of a chocolate ganache layer on top. I just love how glossy and decadent it looks with the chocolate ganache. And because I use bittersweet chocolate, it's not too sweet. So you can just make that chocolate ganache topping the same way you made the mousse, but without that extra heavy cream, and we're not going to whip it. And cover the whole cake like I did here, or you can just drip on a little bit along the top. Whatever you want to do is just fine for this cake. This is a chocolate lover's dream. It's layers of mousse, layers of cake. It's seriously just pure chocolate heaven. Every bite of this chocolate mousse cake just melts in your mouth. It's so decadent, but it's not too sweet and it's not too heavy. It's perfect. This is the cake you make when you want to impress literally anyone. Birthdays, date nights, a random Tuesday, it never misses. This full recipe is up on my site, shanaytoday.com. So save this video for when you're ready to make it, or if someone sent this to you, they want you to make this cake for them. Make sure you tag me when you try it. I can't wait to see how it comes out for you guys.